Well, greetings fellow YouTubers, Maxi1 here. I'm looking to produce a stator with 36 coils at 8mm thickness. Now to do this I've produced a tool to make it easier for winding the coils. I just want to show you how I produced the tool for doing the winding out of basic scraps. As you can see here, the position of the coils and the magnets for the size of the stator that I'm looking to produce. I'll just show you the assembly of the tool. Basically, this was cut out of laminate flooring using a hole saw. A couple of small pieces of laminate were glued in place, basically to act as a spacer to give me the exact 8mm dimension that I'm looking for. The importance of these holes are to locate pipes which are the exact radius of the outer circle of the coil and the inner circle of the coil, and I'll just show you how that all goes together. As I say, this was all done from scraps out of my shed. It just makes winding the coils just a wee bit easier. Well, basically I hand tighten that just now. Piece of pipe gets located like so, and basically that goes in there just to hold it in place. As you can see, that gives you the exact diameter for the outer circle of the coil. Again, a small piece of pipe, gets located like so. And you'll see the importance later of the small pieces of pipe when it comes to putting the tie wraps in on the coil, so that when you separate the plates the coil doesn't deform. Another small piece of laminate cut to size, and basically that simply threads on there. What this means is that when I go to start the coil winding off, I can tuck the start of the cables in here, tighten this up, and it holds the magnet wire in place. Another nut on the back. Basically tighten everything up, quick quarter turn on that just to lock it. And there you go, ready to start producing a coil. Basically quite simple. Locate it on your portable drill, and there you have it. Very simple, straightforward, and very easy to do. Right guys, thanks for watching.